శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 677th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 81st chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Sanjaya saying to Dhritarashtra like this, O Dhritarashtra Maharaja, the moment, the day when Panchali, Draupadi was insulted by us, that day itself, that moment itself, such a huge war initiated. There is no doubt in that. And who else can do other than your son Duryodhana? Such cruel activities can be done only by your son. O Dhritarashtra Maharaja, Draupadi has seen her husbands. They lost everything, but they are still in righteous path. That is when Draupadi got so mad and her eyes gone so red. I think all this is done only to cause iti sarvamidam rajanna akulam pratibhati me, to cause huge destruction. Like that when Sanjaya said, Dhritarashtra saying, Oh Sanjaya, yes, on that day when Draupadi was insulted, her eyes, it gone so red, and such a huge amount of anger in those Draupadi's eyes could have burned this entire earth. Sanjaya, if she really resolved, if she really wanted, apisesham bhavedadya putranam mama Sanjaya, I myself and all of my sons would have died on that day itself. If she really wanted to do that, she did not do that. When Draupadi was insulted in this assembly, Gandhari and all other women in the palaces, everybody felt disgusted. And along with our own women and all the women from our country, every day they are thinking about this insult that we did to Draupadi. And Sanjaya, even Brahmanas were very mad at us. Agnihotrani sayahne nachahuyanta sarvasaha. They did not even come to our home to perform yajnas on that evening. They were also very mad at us. When Draupadi was insulted, all of a sudden huge turmoil came, huge cyclone came, and there are so many thunderstorms, and there are so many natural calamities. Suddenly all of that happened because we insulted Draupadi, and the entire kingdom gone into huge amount of fear. Like that, Dhritarashtra Maharaju saying. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.